Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving into the explosive leaks about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, the next imaging flagship smartphone that is set to redefine low-light photography in the Android market. And if you're excited about top-end camera technology, then you'll love what we've got in store. According to recent leaks on Weibo, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is packed with revolutionary ultra-pure optics that promise to deliver unmatched imaging performance, featuring a 1-inch sensor and a mind-blowing 200MP Periscope lens with wide-range lossless zoom capabilities, alongside a second telephoto lens designed specifically for capturing macros as close as 10 centimeters, making it arguably the ultimate device for photographers and videographers alike. The new end-to-end Leica optics, which have allegedly leaked in full, paint the picture of a device engineered to excel in low-light environments, and insiders claim that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which is rumored to be codenamed Night God in Xiaomi's imaging lab, an impressive facility that is said to be upgrading to its own Paradise-style fake sun, is poised to become the OEM's latest imaging technology flagship as it prepares for its imminent launch ahead of MWC 2025. The leaked details further reveal that the rear panel of the device will sport a striking two-tone design featuring 4 cutting-edge sensors, where one sensor will deliver a staggering 200MP resolution, while the other 3 sensors are tipped to be 50MP each, with the main lens at f/1.63 and a 1/0.98-inch sensor that promises excellent clarity and performance, complemented by a 14mm f/2.2 ultra-wide-angle module that expands your creative possibilities, and a final f/1.870mm zoom lens dedicated to telephoto macros, which is expected to become a must-have feature among top-grade handsets. All these cameras work together under Xiaomi's advanced Leica optics system to ensure that the 15 Ultra is unleashed as the Android market's new low-light champion, offering an unprecedented level of detail and accuracy in every shot. And with these features, the device is set to make a bold statement at its launch event, where it will reportedly be unveiled alongside Xiaomi's latest Mi Jia smart appliances, the Super Xiaomi smart speaker, and the Buds 5 Pro during MWC 2025. Further cementing Xiaomi's commitment to innovation in both imaging and smart ecosystem integration. While the leaks have provided a comprehensive look at the device's imaging capabilities, they also hint at an overall design that is both sleek and functional, promising not only a dramatic improvement in camera technology, but also an enhanced user experience through its refined aesthetics and performance. As we piece together the rumors, it becomes clear that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is being positioned as the ultimate imaging flagship, designed to compete head-to-head with other premium devices by delivering state-of-the-art camera performance and exceptional low-light capabilities, which is achieved through its cutting-edge sensor technology and advanced optics that leave little to be desired for professional photographers. Moreover, the innovation doesn't stop at the camera system. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to incorporate top-tier hardware and software optimizations that ensure smooth performance, a vivid display, and robust connectivity, making it a device that not only excels in photography but also delivers a well-rounded smartphone experience. This level of innovation is exactly what the market has been waiting for, and as Xiaomi gears up to officially launch the 15 Ultra, all eyes will be on how these groundbreaking features translate into real-world performance, potentially setting a new benchmark in mobile imaging technology. As we await more detailed official specifications and the eventual release date, the excitement surrounding the Xiaomi 15 Ultra continues to build, promising to usher in a new era of smartphone photography that combines revolutionary camera systems with the power of advanced Leica optics. And if these rumors prove true, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will be a game-changer that redefines what users expect from an imaging flagship. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the leaked details of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you found this review insightful, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech updates and reviews. This is TechVerse signing off.